What's up, everybody? Your boy SRT Turo, back in the cut. I know it's been a while. I haven't really done nothing to the car. You know, I don't wanna. How did I put it? I don't wanna put no short little video on something small, like a little bulb change, or putting the lip back on and doing it upside down. I mean, can y'all tell? Can y'all really tell this upside down? Don't be at me, I know it's a bit dirty. But today, I'm gonna show y'all a little temporary fix. And then what you gonna need, maybe some cardboard, but I got some old business cards I can use. Now I went fishing now, so you know those old business cards ain't gonna be useful to me no more. But you gonna need this black plastic welder. And the crazy part is you can't get this everywhere, bro. Like, I try to buy some from any other place. That's the only reason I'll go to Advanced Auto Parts, just for that black plastic welder. That bit does magic, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I say temporary because I've done this already and it just flew off. This is what we're gonna be working on. I know the car's dirty. It's gonna get washed. Y'all gonna see right after I get this done. But bumper came out nice. That boy took care of me. You know, these bugs just... That's the main reason I got it repainted. I don't know if y'all see me ride around with no bumper, but that's the reason. Those bugs, their guts destroyed clear coat. And I neglected it. Well, it's the old owner, but now I gotta repaint it, you know. Let's get to the video. So this thing, we're gonna prop open the bumper. Old business cards. You gonna go ahead and measure out what you gonna need. So right here, you gonna cut that much. You got that part, and then we measure out what we're gonna need. Wires. And there we go. Looks a little crooked, but it'll do all right. And you can't get this. We get this, and you look right here. It has like a little mixing stick right here in the middle. There's a little stick you're gonna use. And I say it's temporary for this because did a couple times. It held for a good amount, a good minute. Alright, after 10 minutes, that bit hardened. Right here. Get it from under and you start applying here. Make sure it sticks. Now that first layer is done, come back. Pour a little more. There you go, bro. Once this dries up, just a little hole at the the screw goes into. But once this fully dries up, you can go. I'll show you the process of finishing it up. But I can show you where this little method has really shown up, well, held up for me. It's been like a year and a half. Look at this little mirror. You can see where I try to tape it, but this bit broke off, and I use that little plastic wheel to, you know, weld those little brackets it has from the inside back on. I didn't care how that one turned out, because, you know, it goes on from the inside, but it's held up for like, let's say, about a year. Window broke off, mirror broke off, it hit a pole, and then, yeah, I was upset, but because I felt like I had to order another pair, because those only came in pairs. These are where the bolt is. See how it comes out in shavings? That's how you know this bit works. Go ahead and grab your wrench. That bit don't move. You gotta push this, loosen it up and push it back, but that big old hole. There go your little temporary fix, my people. Like I said, it varies, because on this bumper only lasted a couple months, and then on that mirror on that truck it lasted, well, I think almost over a year or two. I just guess it depends on the stress you put it through. On a certain part, you put it on. Remember, you only get it at Advance, bro. That's the only time I'll go to Advance for stuff. Other than that, I hope I taught you a little something. I ain't want to make no dumb video there. I just changed some headlights or something, you know. But we out. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all keep staying tuned, but things are coming soon. Wait on it.